welcome. This is Chiranjeevi. Today's topic is Application of Derivatives Competitive Part Mathematics Part 4 Problems from 31 to 40. Problem number 31. The maximum value of 1 by x whole power x is, which is asked in the year CET 2016 and CET 2018. Options 1 by e power whole power e power 1 by e power e and e power e. Here we have a standard result. The maximum value of 1 by x power x is e power 1 by e. For competitive part, this is better. You can remember the shortcut result, standard result. Or if you need to go by the procedure, you need to take y equal to 1 by x power x, taking log on both sides. Log y equal to x into log of 1 by x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get differentiation of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx equal to x into product rule. Log 1 by x will become 1 by x into differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, plus keeping log of 1 by x as it is into differentiation of x is 1. So now dy by dx equal to y into, see here in the previous step, x into x will become x square and x square will cancel, so it will become minus 1 plus log of 1 by x. So dy by dx equal to 1 by x whole power x of minus 1 minus log x. See here log 1 by x can be taken as log x power minus 1, which can be taken as minus log x. For maxima or minima, dy by dx need to be equal to 0. So 1 by x whole power x of minus 1 minus log x equal to 0. So minus 1 minus log x equal to 0. So minus log x equal to 1. So log x equal to minus 1. So here x equal to e power minus 1. So the value of x is 1 by e. So the maximum value, if you substitute in the given function, it will be 1 by e whole power 1 by e, which is e power 1 by e. So which is the option is B. Next one. The slope of the tangent to the curve x equal to t square plus 3t minus 8, y equal to 2t square minus 2t minus 5 at the point 2 comma minus 1. Options minus 6 by 7, 7 by 6, 6 by 7, 22 by 7, which is asked in the year CET 2016. So when x equal to 2, if we substitute x equal to 2, we get 2 equal to t square plus 3t minus 8. So shifting all the terms on one side, we get t square plus 3t minus 10 equal to 0. So if we simplify, we get it as t plus 5 into t minus 2 equal to 0. So here t equal to 2 or t equal to minus 5. But in the given question, when the value of x equal to 2, we need to get the value of y is minus 1. So now if I substitute t equal to 2 in the function y equal to 2 into 2 square minus 2 into 2 minus 5, it will become minus 1. The required point need to be x is 2 and y equal to 1, minus 1. So the value of t is 2. Now if I differentiate, dy by dx can be taken as dy by dt divided by dx by dt, which can be taken as differentiation of t square plus 3t minus 8 will become 2t plus 3 in the denominator, and differentiation of 2t square minus 2t will become 4t minus 2 in the numerator. Now we substitute t equal to 2. So dy by dx will be 4 into 2 minus 2 divided by 2 into 2 plus 3. So 4 into 2 is 8 minus 2 is 6 divided by 2 into 2 is 4 plus 3, which is 7. So the answer is dy by dx will be 6 by 7, which is option C. Next, 33rd one. The rate of change of volume of a sphere with respect to its surface area when the radius is 4 cm is. Options 4, 6, 2, 8. CET 2017. So volume of the sphere is V equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Different surface area of sphere is S equal to 4 pi r square. So now dV by ds can be taken as dV by dt divided by ds by dt. So if you differentiate volume of the sphere, we get 4 by 3 pi into differentiation of r cube will become 3 r square into dr by dt divided by differentiation of surface area. 4 pi will be there, differentiation of r square will become 2r. So it will become 8 pi r into dr by dt. So dr by dt will cancel, 3 will cancel, so you will get it as r by 2. So substituting the value of r as 4, we get 2 centimeter cube per centimeter square, which is option C. Next, 34th one, the point on the curve y square equal to x where the tangent makes an angle of pi by 4 with x-axis is, which is asked in the year CET 2017. Options 4, 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1, 1. So here given curve y square equal to x. So if you differentiate with respect to x, differentiation of y square will become 2y into dy by dx equal to differentiation of x is 1. So dy by dx can be taken as 1 by 2y. But here m is tan theta, slope. So theta value is given as pi by 4, which is nothing but 45 degrees. So m equal to tan 45 equal to 1 by 2y. So tan 45 value is 1. So if you cross multiply, y equal to 1 by 2. So if you substitute in the given equation 1 by 2 whole square equal to x. So the value of x is 1 by 4. So the point is 1 by 4, 1 by 2, which is option C. 35th one, the function f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 5 is strictly increasing in the interval, which is asked in the year CET 2017. Options minus infinity, minus 1, minus infinity, minus 1, closed bracket, minus 1, infinity and minus 1, infinity. So here f of x is x square plus 2x minus 5. Differentiating with respect to x, f dash of x will be 2x plus 2. So f dash of x need to be 0. So 2x plus 2 equal to 0, 2x equal to minus 2, so x will become minus 1. So the intervals we get it as minus infinity, minus 1 and minus 1, infinity. And we know that increasing need to be f dash of x need to be greater than 0. Decreasing need to be f dash of x need to be less than 0. So now if we take to 2x plus 2 will be greater than 0 at any point between minus 1, infinity. So minus 1, infinity we can take any point. If I take point 0. So 2 into 0 plus 2 is 2, which is greater than 0. So in between minus 1, infinity, which is f dash of x is greater than 0. So it will be increasing at minus 1, infinity, which is option D. 36th one, approximate change in the volume V of a cube of side x meters caused by increasing the side by 3% is, which is asked in the year CET 2018. Options 0.09, 0.03, 0.06 and 0.04. So here change in volume will become delta x will be 3% of x, which is 3 by 100 of x is nothing but 0.03 x. Volume of cube V equal to x cube. Differentiating with respect to x, dv by dx equal to differentiation of x cube will become 3x square. So change in volume of a cube is dv equal to dv by dx into delta x. So dv can be taken as substituting dv by dx is 3x square. Substitution of delta x is 0.03x. So multiplying we get dv equal to 0.09 x cube into meter cube, which is option A. 37th one, f of x is x power x has stationary point at, which is asked in the year CET 2018. Options is x equal to e, x equal to 1 by e, x equal to 1, x equal to root e. So given function y equal to x power x, taking log on both sides, log y equal to x into log x. So differentiation of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx equal to, if you go by product rule, x into differentiation of log x is 1 by x plus log x into 1. So dy by dx equal to x power x into 1 plus log x. So dy by dx equal to y into 1 plus log x. For maxima or minima, the condition is dy by dx equal to 0. So x power x into 1 plus log x equal to 0, 1 plus log x equal to 0, log x equal to minus 1. So here x equal to e power minus 1. So x equal to 1 by e, which is the answer option B. 38th one, the interval in which the function f of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 10 is increasing in, which is asked in the year CET 2019. Options are there. So f of x is x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 10. Differentiating with respect to x, f dash of x equal to 3x square minus 6 into 2x plus 9. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. 6 will be as it is. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Plus 9 into differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 10 will become 0. So f dash of x, if I take 3 outside, it will become x square minus 4x plus 3. Now splitting the middle term, we get it as 3 into x square minus 3x minus 3 plus 3. So taking x outside from the first two terms, it will be x into x minus 3. And taking minus 1 from the other two terms, it will be minus 1 of x minus 3. So f dash will be 3 into x minus 1 into x minus 3. So now f dash of x equal to 0. So increasing is f dash of x need to be greater than 0. So if we simplify, we get x equal to 1 and 3. So the intervals will be minus infinity comma 1, 1 comma 3 and 3 comma infinity. So f dash of x equal to 3 into x minus 1, x minus 3 will be greater than 0 at minus infinity comma 1. So if you take any value between minus infinity to 1, it will be greater than 0. Therefore f is increasing. F dash of x is 3 into x minus 1 into x minus 3 will be less than 0 at 1 comma 3. So if we substitute any value between 1 and 3, 1 and 3 is 2. So if we substitute 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So it is negative. Therefore f is strictly decreasing. So f dash of x equal to 3 into x minus 1 into x minus 3 greater than 0 at x 3 comma infinity. Therefore f is strictly increasing. So which is option C. 39. The side of an equilateral triangle are increasing at the rate of 4 cm per second. The rate at which its area is increasing when the side is 14 cm, which is asked in the year CET 2019. Options 14 root 3, 14, 10 root 3 and 42. Given rate of the side, which is dx by dt, is 4 cm per second and the value of x is 14 cm. So area of triangle will be a equal to root 3 by 4 x square. Differentiating with respect to t, dA by dt equal to root 3 by 4. Differentiation of x square is 2x into dx by dt. At x equal to 14 cm and dx by dt is 4 cm, we get root 3 by 4 into 2 into 14 into 2. So which is 28 root 3. So given options are not matching. Next, 40th one, the value of square root of 24.99 is, which is asked in their CET 2019. Options are there 4.899, 4.897, 4.999 and 5.001. So here you can directly go for which is very closer to the value of root 25, which is 5. So it will be 4.999, which will be the answer. Or you need to go by the same procedure, y equal to root x. The nearest value of x will be 25, delta x will be minus 0.01. So f of x will be 25 power 1 by 2, f of x plus delta x will be 29.99 power 1 by 2. So now differentiation of y will become dy by dx and differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So dy is dy by dx into delta x, dy is 1 by 2 root x into minus 0.01. So dy equal to 1 by 2 into root of 25 into 0 minus 5 is 5. So it will be 1 by 10 into minus 0.01. So dy will be minus 0.001. So delta y value is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. So f of x plus delta x can be taken as delta y plus f of x. So substituting square root of 24.99 will become minus 0.001 plus root 25. So the answer will become 4.999. See, you need to change it as 24.99. Option C. Thank you. Please subscribe, like and share. Yours.